Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about a real estate program that not a lot of people know about, and it's a great way for real estate investors to acquire real estate, renovate that real estate, and then either keep it for their real estate portfolio or sell it for profit. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, give us a call. We'll teach you how to do it. So the program works like this. We're going to ask you to put down 10% of the acquisition price. Then we're going to give you 100% of the renovation budget plus the rest of the money to acquire the property. So you're looking at only 10% plus your closing costs out of pocket at the closing. So if you're looking at a house that's say $400,000, you're going to need $40,000 plus your closing costs. All right. Now you're going to get 100% of the money from us to renovate that property, okay? And then you're going to be able to either keep that property where we can do a refinance to get rid of that financing, put nice long-term financing on the property, you keep it in your real estate portfolio, or you could sell it and buy another property or do what you're going to do. So talk to your real estate agents. If you're an agent yourself and want to learn more about this, give us a call. I just had a conversation with a real estate agent today, a very good agent, and he had not heard about this program, wasn't aware of it. His lender that he was using didn't really do it. So, we've been in the business for over 20 years. We do all kinds of different programs, and we can help you, whether you're a first-time buyer or a savvy investor. If you want to get a great deal on your mortgage and you want to have a great team behind you, give us a call. My name is Bill. Talk to Aceland. We'll help you have a good one.